Hey guys, back again. So a little update. I did a little upgrade. Basic upgrade. I went ahead and made them a new ramp, real DIY ramp. That's all I had. I had some pieces of wood laying around, and I reused the hardware cloth that was on the other one. Made it fit, put it on there, and worked out. It worked out pretty good, I think. So let's see how it works out tonight. It's actually screwed into the coop, so give them a small place to get in there. As far as last video, we had 2 of our chickens died, and I'm thinking it was probably because of the heat, because we had a lot of wind come through into our tarp, so I don't have a way of covering them, tarp covering it. So I think that's what they needed. They needed some shade. I think that's the whole problem what's going on. Anyways, yeah, so that's what's going on. I know I told you about my compost. Let's work our way over there real quick. I'll show you what we had done with our compost. I know I told you last time in the other video, my wife had thrown some potatoes in there, and now you can see that literally the potatoes are taking off. So I had to go through and see if they're viable or not, or if I should let them sit, because I want to use some of this compost for hey guys, sorry about that. So I'm going to be using that little, you can see it right here, the raised bed garden. I don't know why they didn't focus. Yeah, that raised bed garden right there. We're going to use that and start planting some of my plants. We're going to try to start planting some stuff, get things going. I do have the pepper. I don't know if you can see it right now, right in front of my dog right there. Right there. Got a sweet pepper growing in there, sweet bell peppers. So I think what I'm trying to do is I want to set this up, how much I'm going to be buying. I mentioned the last one, I'm going to buy a little tiller. It's a little battery powered, well, I forget what they call it. It's a little rototiller. Take it up, pick up all the grass up, and then I'm going to put some, you use the dirt. I actually have some, not mulch, but it's basically not mulch, I guess, but it's fertilizer and stuff out in the garage. I'm going to do half one side with the compost possibly, and the other half will be just straight our dirt that we have here in Oklahoma. I want to see if it'll work. If it doesn't work without it, then great. But we'll see. It'll be like a little test run, and I'll keep you guys in on that. And so a couple more things coming up. I am going to see if I have enough. I should buy a little rototiller to go ahead and get this thing rebuilt. And look at here. I guess they're starting to use it. It is time for them to go to bed. It's pushing almost 9:30 right now, so it's good. They're using it. That's great. But anyways, guys, another short one. But try to keep things going and keep you guys updated and do more as I can. Anyways, guys, if you guys can, give me help out. Please like and subscribe, comment, all that stuff. I'll just comment back. Any questions you guys might have, or any future updates I'm going to be doing, ask away. And talk to you next one. Bye.